Hey there, tech-savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest updates on your favorite apps. Today, we're tackling a super common task: how to change your email on Instacart in 2025. With Instacart's recent updates for better security and user experience, this process is quicker than ever. Whether you're switching emails for privacy reasons or just updating an old address, I'll walk you through it step by step in under 2 minutes. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Instacart account on the app or website. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in, head over to your account settings. You can find this by tapping on the profile icon, usually in the top right corner, and then selecting Account or Settings from the menu. Next, look for the Personal Information or Email and Contact section. This is where you'll see your current email address listed. Tap or click on it to edit. Now, enter your new email address in the provided field. Double-check for any typos to avoid verification issues later. After that, hit the Save or Update button. Instacart might send a verification email to your new address to confirm it's legit. Check your inbox, including spam folders, and click the verification link if prompted. This step ensures your account stays secure. If you run into any hiccups, like an error message, make sure your new email isn't already associated with another Instacart account. You might need to contact Instacart support through their help center for assistance. And just like that, you're all set. Your email is now updated, and you can continue shopping with ease. Remember, keeping your account info current is key to smooth transactions and better personalization. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more how-to guides, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping. Word count: 348.